Chad Harstein. I'm with Building Automation and Repair Service, and we're doing some training videos for our customers out there. We do Novar repairs, Novar Logic 1. You can reach us at 502-641-9267. And what we're doing is we're going to show you how to add a unit on ESS32 for a Savvy controller. ESS32 is the software that you use to program and download the executive controllers like Savvies or EP2s or Lingo. So if you will point over to the screen. Now this is the ESS32 Novar's Corporation Logic 1. It's their engineering and support system, okay? And if you own the Novar system, hopefully you have the ESS32. If not, you have iScope. Hopefully you have both. But now, so what we're going to do is we're going to go into system format, okay? And then we're going to actually go to our Savvy, and we're going to go to modify, okay, which is 1. Then we're going to, it says enter the number to display, so we're going to hit the only one there, which is a Savvy. And then we're going to hit, a good tip is always look at the bottom here. And it'll say enter 1 to modify display or 2 to delete. Well, we're going to want to modify our display because we're just adding a controller. Okay. Now underneath of this you have load control. And you can see where it says 23. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit 1. And we're going to pick the next open spot, which is 7. And we're going to type in ETC. And we have a 1 here, so we're going to do an ETC2, alright? And then I'm going to hit enter, and it'll actually ask you, it'll pop up with the list of controllers what you want to use. Okay, so we're going to go down to, it's an ETC, hit enter, and it has a 1, a 2, and a 6. Now the difference between a 1 and a 3 are the same, and a 2 and a 4 are the same, except that 1 is coded for the outside conditions, okay? And actually it's the 2 and the 4 are coded, and the 1 and the 2 are not. And then the 6 has a humidity point. So we're gonna go down and pick ETC2 and hit enter, and it actually, now we're gonna hit enter again, and this will bring you back to your function menu. And we'll hit 8, which is module configuration, and this will tell you what your address is going to be for your ETC2. So it's going to be address number 7. We want to make sure it's active, okay? And with the Savvy, it only has 1 port, so it'll be A, okay? And then we're going to download our Savvy now. So we're going to back out of here. We're going to go to the system menu, then we're going to hit 4, and then we're going to hit load change download. This is something that's required to do every time you add a controller or make a major change like that. I'm hitting enter, but if you read all this stuff down here, it says enter unit number. Now if you only have one thing here and you hit enter, it automatically makes it active. So then you're going to go to download. It's checking the clock, and it's going to download the program for you. Now you notice this is really quick, and it's going through this process a lot quicker. If it was a new unit or a unit that you cleared out, it would make you say, you would have some pop-ups saying that the time doesn't match the computer and the unit's dumb, do you want to load it? And you just hit yes to those. So just remember that it's Y, for yes, and then enter a whole lot, okay? So again, that's how you add a controller onto your executive controller for the Novar system. I hope this helps you out. Thanks from Building Automation Repair Service. We'll be back with more videos.